¿Qué onda, vatos? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous here, San Jose, California. Beautiful weather today. Absolutely gorgeous out here on the West Coast. So let's go ahead and talk about the stuff that you should probably avoid getting. Quite honestly, this is just stuff that I've noticed, and you know, I've had some of this gear over the last year, motovlogging, and it was the 3.5 millimeter audio jack.
You're a worthless piece of shit.
If you are using a GoPro Hero action cam, then I'd probably tell you, you know what, save your money, get yourself a digital recorder, a Hero 7 and below. Those GoPro mic adapters are complete garbage. They're trash. It's a hit or miss. You might get a good one. I mean, the chances of you getting a good one are slim. They're about $70, $60. And for that much, you're better off getting yourself a digital recorder. You have more options. You could record in different formats and quality. You have a lot more options, like I said, you know, cut filters, DVIs. It's, you know, it's good to kind of start learning audio features, functions, FX, stuff like that. I mean, this is just if you've been doing it or you're thinking about getting into it. I mean, there's a lot to learn. There's a lot of stuff to kind of consider, but avoid these next few things. Avoid that stupid 3.5 millimeter jack audio adapter. It's complete trash. It's garbage. I've had mine for a year, and it's been nothing but a headache. Nothing but a headache. Sometimes it works. Sometimes I'll be recording, minding my own business, you know, motovlogging, long ride, come home, edit, and there's no audio. And there's nothing more frustrating than doing a whole video, because I don't script my stuff. I just kind of wing it, free flow it, whatever you call it, and there's absolutely no audio, so I lose all of that. And sometimes I might say some pretty good stuff in that video, and I'll just kind of forget about it, and it sucks. So don't get that. Other thing you should avoid getting is GoPro's remote switch. I have it on my vest, and once again, it's an absolute garbage product from GoPro. It doesn't do anything. I mean, supposedly it's supposed to connect up to like 10 cameras or something like that, and it just seems like every damn time I have to go through the settings, I have to reset it, I have to turn it off, turn it back on. Sometimes only one camera will turn on, sometimes only one camera will record, and it's just a hassle. And like I mentioned, if you're getting into it, then you know, you might be minding your business recording, and it's happened to me before. For some reason, the remote will turn off one of my cameras, and I won't realize it until I look at the time, like, oh crap, I haven't been recording anything. So that's that GoPro Smart Remote. I'm not sure if they have a new version or if they're you know, releasing something new, but I just don't get it. I mean, it's not like it's got to sync up to multiple different Bluetooth devices. I just don't get it. I mean, there should be a smart communications between the GoPro and the smart remote. You're not going to be using it for anything else, so you know what, I'm not going to try to rant, but that's another absolute waste of money, that smart remote. And you might think, you know what, if I'm using, you know, a dual vlog, it'll be good to kind of sync up, save myself some, you know, some time from post-production, and it's absolute garbage. It's not even, it doesn't even do that. You still have to go in there and manually sync up these the footages if you're doing dual vlog. And if you're not doing dual vlog, then you don't have to worry about the smart remote. Regardless, if you are, don't get the smart remote. Forget about it. Do the audio sync. You know, when you kind of clap your hands, clip the audio, and that way you could easily match up the footage. So avoid the mic adapter, and avoid the smart remote. And you know, the GoPro Hero mod, it's nice. That's about $80. You could probably get that. I haven't had any audio issues. I have mine, but like I mentioned, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's just work related. Maybe I'm overworked. You know, working 60 hours a week, and then editing videos, and you know, doing all this other stuff. I've been having some neck strains. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's just the placement of the camera. Maybe I'm pushing up against the wind, but It doesn't add too much weight. It's a few ounces heavier. But you know what? I don't know. I stopped using it, the GoPro Hero mod, just mainly so I could have that function on my digital recorder. I could set the quality, set the file format, all kinds of different things you could do depending on the digital recorder you have. So it's just that, you know, if you want to get into the GoPro Hero mod, I guess you can, but I would completely, if you're just looking at audio, just get a digital recorder. Save yourself the hassle. And if you're looking at a overall, you know, form factor of just having it in one place, then you know what? I'd probably recommend the GoPro Hero mod over everything else. If you have a GoPro, I would recommend that. That way you don't have to, you know, mess with wires, kind of like the way I do. I have a wire coming down to my vest to my digital recorder. So, you know, it's just some stuff to kind of keep in mind, and probably, you know, probably save yourself a couple dollars on getting this other gear that's supposed to make your life easier. It's supposed to make your life easier, but it, you know, it makes it worse. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe. You know, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.